All right, so this is the day after back on the track. Towards the end of the day, I was having trouble pretty much starting the car. So I'm getting a code for P0336, which essentially that means crankshaft position sensor. That can mean either one of the wires got burned or the sensor is just bad. I'm gonna go to AutoZone right now and just get the sensor. I'm gonna replace it and see if the car starts up, because right now the car isn't even starting anymore. It's just tired. Cool, so just got my part, got the crankshaft position sensor for the LS. Straight from AutoZone, having a factory part from GM. That's super dope. So they look the same, 3-prong. Yep, cool. All right, I'm gonna put this in. So my whole fuel pump issue journey, I ended up just getting fresh wiring. These are already made. Even comes with an actual circuit breaker built in. All right, so ended up having to take the wheel off because I'm trying to get to the fuel filter. Fuel filter is right up there where you see that AN line. Pulled the line for the fuel. This was going on top of the diff to feed the fuel filter. I'm gonna go ahead and reroute this. So this goes down here, and I'm gonna go ahead and reroute this so it actually will go to the fuel filter, and I'm gonna mount it somewhere in the subframe right here, and this will connect to the fuel filter. So I'm just gonna redirect it right now. I hate doing this, dude. All right, it looks like it's pretty much chilled. And let's take this fuel filter. Oh shoot, you saw that? So it's a Fuel Lab 189711. Yeah, I don't know how old this is. At least I know it's not the stock one that's like 30 years old. But I don't know how old this one is or whenever the filter's been replaced. So I'm glad I got a new fuel sock. That's gonna be nice to put on. Cover for the fuel pump. Then it comes with the connector, which is super convenient. The current pump. I've got the same part number pump, I just feel I needed to replace it. Yeah. I mean, to me it pretty much looks the same part number, so I should be good. Also got the fresh fuel filter. So put this in right here. Just like that. So now with this clamp, I could go ahead and mount it up right here. Oh, let's go, dude. That looks great. Few lines all hooked up, dude. It looks super sick. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and secure this to the subframe. The cover is more secured, and this fuel filter relocation is gonna be done. That's it. So I scanned the car, it's good, no codes. Even right here, no codes. It's good to go. Turned on right away, which wasn't happening before. So I don't know if it was because the sensor, I don't know because the fuel filter is better now. I don't know what it was, but turns on great. I've had it idling for about like 5 minutes. It's good. I'm noticing when the RPM range goes up way quicker. It feels faster like that. It used to be more sluggish. Now it's better. That rev is better. It went up a lot faster. car was also like stalling out at this time. So luckily no leaks, we're good on that. So no leaks right now, good. So I mean the fuel filter isn't leaking. And then down there, nothing is leaking on my fuel feed or return line. So I think that's good. Right here, fuel pressure is where it needs to be, around 60, 58 to 60. Nothing's leaking. So I think we're good on that. Car's idling better. The fuel pump sounds better too. The fuel pump always sounded really high pitched, like it was running out of voltage or it was just dying out. This sounds a lot better. I'm hoping this fixes the whole car issue. I'm not gonna drive it today, but I'll drive it soon. I'll probably leave an update on it, hoping that this fixes it. But damn, the LS sounds good.